Okay, Mark, here's your case. On a cast, it has a hard shell, a softer inner shell, and the brackets. It's in sections, so you want to pull off one section, one quadrant, and you can see on the back of that, brackets are already in, glue is already on the bracket. You now have a custom base for the back of your tooth, because all teeth are irregular on the lingual surfaces. When you go to put this in, you want to try it in first to make sure it seats completely. At that point, you want to take it out. You want to acetone the back of the brackets, and you can buy acetone at any beauty supply store. That's just a general cleanser, as you know. So you cleanse the back of them, air dry it, then I paint Reliance Assure on the back of the brackets, light cure, then I air dry that. There is no light curing of the Reliance Assure. At that point, you're ready to get started. You can do all your normal acid etching. When you put it on the tooth, acid etch, dry, seal with Assure. Then put 1 drop of Floatane, which is a highly flowable composite, and I'm going to send you 1 stick with it. Floatane from Reliance Orthodontics. I also have bracket tips on the back to be able to put the 1 little drop on. You'll fill up the back of the tray with just a drop, and then when you seat it from the occlusal, snap it into place, and then before you start to cure, I put my curing light on the lingual of the bracket that I'm going to cure, and I push just a little bit while I keep downward pressure on the occlusal surface. Then I go to the next one and cure. Same thing. I'll cure with the outer tray on, 10 seconds per side of the tooth. Then I'll peel the outer tray, and with the soft tray on, I'm then going to cure another 10 seconds, especially from the gingival margin. At that point, you can tease the tray off, and I typically tease it off from the buccal back to the lingual so that you can slide it up underneath these bracket wings. You can imagine the bracket wing back in here that if you get it caught, you're going to pull a bracket loose. I've blocked out the cuspid, the hook on the molars, but it's still kind of hard to do, and I'll use a hemostat and a finger and very gently tug along until it comes out. Then I repeat for the other tray.